Hello, welcome to another Little Pine Education story, Fun for Kids. The Best Fluency Stories, Level A, number 2. Where do you think this story happens? Let's read the short I words. Will, kids, hit, it, win, sip, tip, pit, hid, fit. We will go to the spot for kids. We will have fun. If you hit it, you can win. Hit it, hit it. Get the tickets. Sip the soda. Do not let it tip. Mom will not come in the pit. She does not fit. Now I can go to the ball pit. I hid in the pit. The end. I hope that you enjoyed this story, and I'll see you next time.